heard it in a honky tonk.
This dance is Funky Stride, choreographed by Stephie. It's a 32 count 4 wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, flying to the right, Side, behind, side, touch, find to the left, side, behind, side, touch. Section 2, back, right, left, right, touch, out, out, in, big step forward, sliding right, step together. Section 3, turn a quarter right, stepping left to side, pump hips, left, 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 turn a half left, stepping right to side, bump hips, right, 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 right. Last section, turn a half right, stepping left to side, bump hips, left, left, right, right, left, right, turn a quarter left, stepping forward on left, scuff right as you turn, another quarter left. Now facing 9, weight is on left, and you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.